it's your girl Paige with Pages in Your Diary, and I'm coming back with another lock video. I want to send out all my blessings to everyone because I know it's quarantine time and everyone is going through it, but I wanted to give you a lock video of different hairstyles you can do with your baby locks. I have found it somewhat challenging to do cute hairstyles with my baby locks, and so these are 3 simple styles that I have used majority of the time because I think they are really cute and simple and straight to the point. You don't have to do a lot. So like I said, I have baby to shoulder length locks. I just washed my hair. Ooh, so this is how it looks. Ooh, my strap coming down, y'all. Okay. So this is how it looks. Now, you can say I'm cheating, but this is the first style, which is let it be wild and free. Okay, this is your I don't give a damn look. I'm just gonna let my hair do what it wants to do and be cute. Okay, isn't this cute, y'all? Look, natural girls be doing the wash and go. Lock girls can do the wash and go too. The next style, I call it my power puff girls, my 2 puffs. And so what you would do is and you can leave one hair down if you want to, if your hair is acting right, because sometimes my locks do not act right, but that's okay because I'm just here to let it do what it do, right? I never force my locks to do something that it doesn't want to do. And I think that's the main thing, that you need to actually listen and pay attention to your hair, because everything doesn't work for everybody, you know, and that's products, hairstyles, whatever. If it's not your time yet, then wait on it. Do what works best for you. Okay, look at that. See, real simple, y'all. So the next style is you can do a top bun. So leave half of that down. The beauty is literally in the hair, y'all. I love my locks. I wish I would have done this a long time ago. Like I said, I just came on here to give you guys a few styles. Let's see if I could do one more. Okay. So, y'all look at, they ain't gonna be ready for me once we come out this quarantine, okay? I'm gonna do what it do, y'all do what it do. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can do a side twist. So you're just gonna twist it. See how this works. Now I've done a twist before, but that was when I first started my locks. And now that they have started budding and looking more like locks, and not actual twist. Yeah. Okay. Looking like a black queen. Okay. Just royalty, real classy. So if you're going to a function, you know, a banquet, an award ceremony, cute. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new. And until next time, I will give you guys more to come, okay? Thank you. Bye.